In the town of Playnomics, people used bread to buy things. 1 bread for a toy, 2 breads for a coffee. Easy. But bread was controlled by the state, a giant robot banker. Every time Doña Croqueta bought something, the state took a little piece of her bread as a fee. Sending bread to another country? That took days. And sometimes, the state made more bread, which made everyone's bread worth less. Also, some people couldn't even use bread, and others started making fake bread. So, a new idea was born: digital cookies. Cookies don't come from the state. No banks, no robot. Instead, everyone in the town helps check if a cookie is real. That's called a blockchain, a shared notebook where all cookie trades are written down. When Niño Cripto uses cookies, he pays very low fees. And his payment is super fast, even to another country. Some cookies have a limited amount, so no one can create more and cause cookie inflation. And they can't be faked. Don Producción helps check every cookie trade. That's called mining. He solves a puzzle. If it's correct, the trade goes into the notebook, and he earns a cookie as a reward. But be careful. Some cookies are scams. Some go up and down in value very fast. And some cookies pollute the planet by using lots of power. Still, more people in Playnomics are trying cookies. Maybe they're the future, or maybe just a trend. Either way, now you know. Crypto equals digital cookies, not magic.